What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And yes, I did cut this out because my address was on that. What am I, nuts? Okay, so Clean, Dry, Protect Glovebox Detail, our monthly box for the month of July. Come on, am I gonna open this or what? What are we doing here? Okay, so let's see. I'm excited. First time opening it. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got. Oh, hello. I love this. Red, white, and blue. Come on now. July deluxe box, step-by-step guide. So basically it's a little cheat sheet before we even open it. So let's stop looking at it. Look at this. I love these types of wash mitts, and it's a Rag Company wash mitt. Are you joking? Wait a minute. No way. No way. Did I just buy this wash mitt and it just came out and I just bought it? Yup, Ultra Wash. I literally just bought this wash mitt. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby! Now I got another one. I swear to God, I just bought this and the wash pad in a combo. It like intrigued me that much, and I'm so excited. This is a freaking cool wash mitt. Let me tell you, this is a good wash mitt. This is not a joke wash mitt. Here we go. Who's this from? Glass cleaning towel. Any of these tight, wound, tightly knitted towels are good for glass. Oh my God, bro! Is that a Drago? Come on, Drago towel. You gotta be joking. Let me tell you something. When I say something, I'm gonna tell you something. I love the Drago towels. I got quite a few. I like a lot of towels anyway, but I love the Drago towels. This is some quality stuff. These are things that I actually have in my arsenal. This is for tire gel applications. I'm assuming, yes. I would technically, personally, cut these in half so that you can have a little less thick, unless you got like a big monster truck tire. Okay, again, we're doing this one-handed. Whoa, this is a new brand. Supreme Detail Supply, Clear View. Supreme Detail Supply, Clear View. See clearly. What is this bug? Get out of here, dude. Whoa, this is like a total, you can't see, you don't even, and I'm not a big fan of like completely blacked out bottles. So who is this? Glass towel. Okay. I mean, I'm all down to try glass cleaning products. Ooh. Wash and Wax Car Soap by Jack's Wax. I like this. Jack's Wax products. A lot of my friends, they literally swear by that product. Another tire dressing to try. Commercial use. Non-sling. This is very important. This is very important. So I'm assuming it's possibly water-based. Tampa, Florida. Clean tire. Applied blizzard. Spread blizzard. Buff off excess blizzard. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So we're allowing it to plate. Silicone fortified water based. That is such an oxymoron. That's very strange. Okay. I mean, I am all about trying new things. Different type of bottle than I'm used to. Ooh. 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 Oh my goodness. Alright. What do we got for the last product? Ooh, another Vash. Premium Auto Care. Superior Shine. What is this gonna do? Formulated to protect your paint from UV damage and leave your car with a beautiful shine. Oh, you can use this as a clay lubricant, wax, or glass enhancer. Did they mean gloss enhancer? Is that my OCD? Is that glass or gloss? Am I going blind? I think it's gloss enhancer. No detailed job is complete without Vash. Superior Shine Spray Wax. Okay, so it's a spray wax. I'm not a huge spray wax kind of guy, but I would be interested to try this as a clay lube, just because 16 ounces of clay lube is better than 0 ounces of clay lube. But this is a solid box. Solid box. Very solid box. And I'm going to tell you exactly why I personally think that this is a solid box. We're just going to plop this here because, you know, why not? That looks good, right? Wait. We're going to cover that catastrophe right there. And we're going to just do this. And we're going to do that. We're going to go here. And we're going to do this. And we're going to bring it on in there, folks. Beautiful. And then we're going to use this as a thumbnail. Gorgeous. So here's the deal. I can't speak about this product this product, or this product, or this product. But what I can speak about are these types of applicators. I do have them. I can speak about how I bought this. I gotta show you. I'm not just joking around here, fellas. I'm not joking around. I just bought that wash mitt. Where is it? I just bought it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. God, I'm like, when I say I just bought it, I mean I just bought it. So I got the wash pad here and the wash mitt. So now I've got, whoa, hey. So now I got 2 wash mitts, which is great because, you know, if it's as good as I think it's gonna be, and it is Rag Company, and apparently like the material that the Gauntlet drying towels, which I absolutely love those drying towels, apparently that's like somehow in there. Anthony from Rag Company kind of sold me on it when I was watching a video. So of course, me going, ooh, I bought it, had to, wasn't not gonna buy it, of course. So like I said, this is great. This is one of my favorite like little buff off towels. I love this. Any kind of glass cleaning towel, cherish them, they're awesome. This I'm gonna try as a clay lube. I don't really have any other reason to try that for any other reason. Wash and wax on my daily, I will try that shampoo out. I have a lot of shampoos, but I will put that to the front because it's Jack's Wax. I will give it a go. This, I don't know. I'm gonna clean some windows today, and I'll see how that goes. And tire dressings, can't go wrong with tire dressings. I have a lot of tire dressings. I actually just picked up, you guessed it, a tire dressing, but I have tons of tire dressings. I got Coach Chemi PSS, I've got Visleam, I've got, you name it, I've got it, Pearl and you know, Synergy Wax. And so for me, this is just more stuff to try, more stuff to demo, more stuff to get an opinion about, because you don't know what's good and what's bad unless you try the good and the bad. So I think this is a very solid box, a safe investment for your monthly money. Go to gloveboxdetail.com, try to get this box. You can use code OCD at checkout for the first month, I believe. And honestly, I think the value is staring you right in the face. This alone is awesome. You're gonna get a solid wash mitt from a solid company. You get a solid microfiber towel that I bought multiple of because I love. Then you get a solid glass cleaning towel that you just can't go wrong with, and you got an applicator that, like I said, personally I would cut this in half down here like this, and then you got 2 tire dressing applicators. You get a bomb sticker for 4th of July, God bless America, no country is better. Superior shine, awesome wash and wax. We got window cleaner and we got tire dressing. Try it out, give it a whirl. You might like it, because sometimes these name brand stuff, I'm not gonna go into details with that, it's just a bunch of overhyped nonsense that gets relabeled. So this is how you experience the gamut, and the gamut is beautiful, the gamut is awesome. Glovebox Detail, that's where you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for passing by. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I'll see you guys on the next one.